Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's video, we will see common nouns and proper nouns in more detail. We have discussed this in the previous video too, but I want to discuss it in more details so that the concept should be clear more. Now let's start. Common nouns. Nouns can be common or proper noun. There are millions of websites, and the word website is a common noun. There is only one Google, and the word Google is a proper noun. Now it will be clear that we use the word proper noun for the names that are specific, and we will see further that what are the rules to know if it is a proper noun or it is a common noun. A proper noun is the name of something unique, like you, like me, John. You can learn about proper nouns in this video. Let us discuss it in details. The, the common nouns are all normal or general nouns. Simple examples are book, table, car, water, milk, oil, music, art, literature, dog, women, teacher. Common nouns are everywhere. Look around you now and you will see many common nouns like door, window, tree, sky, cat, truck, road, computer, phone, bottle, ball, luggage, people, etc. Common nouns can be countable like bottle, dollar, or uncountable like milk or money, singular like desk, pencil, or plural like desks or pencils, concrete like piano, bed, or abstract like music or happiness, and they follow all the usual rules of countable and uncountable, singular, plural, concrete, and abstract nouns. But there is one rule that all common nouns need to follow. They don't start with a capital letter. Common nouns don't need capitals. A typical mistake that people make with common nouns is to capitalize them. But remember, only a proper noun like your name or title needs to start with a capital letter. A person's job, like chairman, president, king, or queen, may or may not need capitalization. It depends whether it is the position or the title. There have been many presidents of the USA. Those are positions. But there is only one president, Trump. That is his title and name. If a common noun comes at the beginning of a sentence, then it gets a capital letter because all sentences start with a capital letter. If a common noun occurs in a heading, for example, which we have discussed above, common nouns don't need capitals. Then it may got a capital letter depending on editorial style, because we have seen that if a common noun comes in the start of the sentence, then we have to capitalize it. If a common noun occurs in the title of a book, movie, song, or an album, etc., then it usually gets a capital letter like War and Peace. Here W and P will be capital. The Lord of the Rings, Night of the Living Dead, The Host, The College Dropout. Of course, if a common noun occurs in a heading that is all in capitals, for example, newspaper headlines, then it is capitalized, like man bites dog, continent cut off by fog. Here are some example sentences showing right and wrong use of capitalization. The first one is incorrect. In the 20th century, the UK had 4 kings and 1 queen. Now, the correct one is in the 20th century, the UK had 4 kings and 1 queen. What we have done in both these sentences, in the first one, the K of king and Q of queen were capital where they were not needed. So, we have changed both these into small letters. Now let's see the second example. Elizabeth II is Queen of the UK. Now the correction is that in the first incorrect sentence, Queen is written with the capital letter while it is to be written with the small letter. Now the third one is the reign of Queen Elizabeth II began in 1952. Here, what mistake have we done? That we have written Q of queen with the small letter, but we have to write it with capital letter because here it is specifically set for Queen Elizabeth, so the Q should be capital. And this table of common and proper nouns should show you the difference. Note that the common nouns do not start with a capital and the proper nouns do start with a capital. Common noun and proper noun. There is a list of common and proper nouns: car, writer, country, continent, restaurant, city, jeans. All these are common noun and they are starting with a small letter. Now the proper nouns are Mazda, Shakespeare, Brazil, Asia, McDonald's, London and Lewis. All of these proper nouns are started with capital letters. Look at these examples of common nouns and some proper nouns in use. The common nouns are in bold. People should go to Mars this century. Mars is in bold, so it is a proper noun. Have any people been to the moon? Here, moon is written in bold, so it is a proper noun. The planet Jupiter has more than 75 moons. Here Jupiter is written in bold, so it is proper noun. The car I would like to buy is a Toyota. Here Toyota is a proper noun. Water is essential for life. Without water we would all die. How many presidents do you know? Have you met Prime Minister May? Here the Prime Minister May is a proper noun. I need to wash my jeans the day before we leave. I need to wash my leaves on Monday. Here Lewis and Monday both are proper nouns. Now let us see a mini quiz. Number 1 is I told Mary that someone had left a package for her. Now you can select the common noun, Mary or package. Here package is the common noun because Mary is a proper noun and it is the name of someone. Now the second one, I am going to have an dash with the sales director. Here the answer is interview with the capital and interview with the small letter. So we have to choose which one is the right one. So the word which is written with small letter, that is the common noun, so we have to write it in the blank. Now the third one is how many times has Vladimir Putin been the Russian dash. Now here the president word is given with capital letter and small letter, so we have to choose which one is the common noun. So the word president which is written with the small letter is a common noun. Now snow is forecast to fall in Scotland tomorrow. Select the common noun. Now which is the common noun in this sentence? So here snow is the common noun because there are two options, snow and Scotland. Scotland is a proper noun while snow is a common noun. So it's all for today's topic. We have seen common noun in detail, and in the next video we will see proper noun in more detail. Until then, bye bye. Do like and subscribe these videos and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.